Hello everyone, my name is Bhuvan Agarwal and I hope you are doing good and you are gaining some knowledge from this series on predicting the output of the code snippets given in C language. So today we are moving on to a next question in this series. So let's get started. So this is our next video in this series. I would suggest everybody to kindly pause the video and just try to solve the question. Then I will tell you the solution. Okay. So I hope you all got some answers. So let me tell you how to solve this question and what's the logic behind this question. So as you can see, we are having a simple if else block, and inside if we need to pass a condition and we are passing 5 as our condition. And as I said previously in previous videos, that in C any non-zero data is considered to be a true value and only 0 is considered to be a false value. Okay, so as we can see, this is a non-zero data, right? This is not 0, right? It is 5, so it is a non-zero data, so the condition is true. So definitely if block will be executed and our output will be IT, right? So those who got the output as IT, then I must tell you that you are absolutely wrong. And why is it so? Let me give you a golden statement here. The golden statement is, without curly braces, the body of if else will be of single line by default. Okay, so as you can see, if and else block, we are having no curly braces, right? Inside if we are having only a single line of statement, so it is correct according to this golden statement. And but else is not having only curly braces, but it is having two lines of statement. So in C, without curly braces, the body of else or if or for or while, anything, any construct without braces, curly braces, the body of them will be of a single line by default. Okay, so here the body of if block is this one and body of else block is only this one, and this one is outside if else block, means after printing any one of the if or else block, this will be printed. Okay, because it is outside if else block. So when we are printing IT, because the condition is true, so after this the control will move on to this, means outside the if else block. So this ECE will also be printed on the screen. Okay, so I hope you got the concept. So this is how it works. In C, all the values other than 0 are considered true values, as I said. Therefore 5 is a true value, right? So body of if else will be of a single line after that. So if is having a body of this and else is having a body of this line. So therefore EC will is not a part of else block, it is outside if else construct. That's why EC is getting printed. Okay. So our output will be IT ECE. This is the correct output. So these types of questions are generally used to confuse student. Okay, because as you can see by if is having this and else is having a total of two lines of statement. So this is just to confuse you. So don't get confused. Just remember this golden statement, then you will be able to solve such questions in your interviews. Okay, that's it. Thank you.